Hello, my name is Alison Mendez, and in this short presentation, I walk through how we use AI to design a needs analysis for an English for specific purposes course. So, continue with my hypothetical learners are biomedical engineers who need English for technical writing, international meetings, and research presentation. Their biggest challenge is fluently communicating technical concepts in real-time interaction. This profile shaped the kind of information I needed the NA to collect. This will be the paragraph with the detailed profile information. You can see all the information. And using the profile, I create a precise prompt from the AI. The goal was to get an instrument that collects specific data, skills, motivation, challenges, and learning preference. I also asked it to mix close and open-ended questions. Which is this one. Here's the evidence that I use AI to NA to collect data. And the following is detailed needs analysis questionnaire adapted to an English for specific purposes course for biomedical engineers professionals, age 28 to 40, with an English B1, B2 level created by AI in an online Google form. I will be presenting an evaluation of the AI-generated needs analysis questionnaire created for an ESP course targeting biomedical engineering professionals. You can see this is the online Google form. We have a lot of questions, options. Okay. I'll explain how the instruments align with the key guiding questions, what was missing, and how this process helped me understand the essential role of NI in the ESP course design. Let's begin by evaluating the alignment with the guiding question for a good needs analysis. First, the questionnaire clearly identifies learners' needs, lacks, and wants. It includes self-assessment scale to highlight weakness or lacks, open-ended questions that allow learners to express personal goals, closed questions focuses on real-world tasks that reveal needs based on their professional roles. Second, it aligns the language skill with the target situation. The questionnaire focuses on key communicative tasks such as writing requests, papers, giving presentations, participating in technical meetings, and writing professional emails. These are directly relevant to the biomedical engineering contents. Third, in terms of methodologies and sources, the questionnaire gathers data on learning preference and use of digital tools. However, it doesn't explicitly address a specific teaching. Methods like flipped classroom or project-based learning, which are emphasized in the courses designed from the didactic guide. Fourth, the questionnaire does a solid job addressing learning challenges, especially with technical vocabulary, fluency in meetings, and the tone in writing. So, what did the AI miss? Although the tool is strong, there are some gaps. It doesn't include questions about a specific biomedical language task, like reading, device manuals, or preparing lab report. Also, it doesn't mention pedagogical methods such as PBL or flipped classroom, which are important for modern ESP approach. It could improve the exploration of internal versus external motivation, for example, by asking if learners are driving more by professional advancements or personal growth. To improve the prompt, I will make sure it explicitly requires items about the learner's fields, specific communication task, their familiarity with ESP teacher methods, and the motivational profile. This process helped me realize that the that needs analysis is not just a checklist at the beginning of the course. It is foundation of every decision we make at ESP course design. Without a clear understanding of who our learners are, how they use English, and what they struggle with, we risk building course that's too general, too irrelevant, or simply ineffective. A well-designed NA help us choose the right content, apply the right methods, use the right tools, and most importantly, meet learners where they actually are. It also reinforces the idea that ESP is practical, personal, and contextual. So our analysis needs to go beyond language level and dig into the learners' real-world tasks, goals, and contrasts. In conclusion, the AI generate and aid is solid foundation, but it can be improved by targeting specific context, methods, and motivation. More importantly, this experience has shown me that meta analysis is powerful tool, not just for collecting data, for designing meaningful, relevant, and specific, effective ESP course. That is all. Thank you so much. This is some bibliographic reference. Bye.